Do you learn English but forget what to say in real life? You know the words, but in the morning, your mind goes blank. Don't worry. We're fixing that now. Welcome to day 1 of your 30-day English Shadowing Challenge.
Every day you'll learn real sentences and speak them out loud with me.
Today's focus: morning routine. Sentences in simple, clear English. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to English Podcast Boost. This is your daily English speaking practice podcast. No grammar rules, no tests, just real English for real life. We're building strong speaking habits with daily shadowing. So, what is shadowing? It means you listen, you repeat, you speak. Just follow me, sentence by sentence, ready to speak English fast and naturally. Let's go. Let's start with simple morning sentences. Listen, repeat, and feel free to say them out loud with me. I wake up at 6 a.m. I stretch my arms and legs. I make my bed before leaving the room. I brush my teeth with cold water. I wash my face every morning. I take a quick shower. I dry my hair with a towel. I comb my hair slowly. I wear comfortable clothes for the day. I choose what to wear based on the weather. I drink a big glass of water after I wake up. I make a hot cup of coffee to start the day. I listen to a podcast while eating breakfast. I eat 2 boiled eggs and some toast. I read the news on my phone. I check my messages and emails. I write a short to-do list for the day. I open the window for fresh air. I water my plants in the living room. I feed my cat before I eat. I talk to my parents while I eat. I help my sister pack her school bag. I clean up the kitchen after breakfast. I look in the mirror and smile. I feel fresh and ready for the day. I double-check my bag before I leave. I wear my watch and grab my phone. I put on my shoes near the door. I leave the house at 7:45 every day. I walk to the bus stop with my neighbor. That's your first task for today. Repeat it during your real morning routine. Let's picture this together. You wake up. You stretch. You brush your teeth. You make coffee. Eat toast. Check your phone. You grab your bag and leave the house. Now imagine doing all that in English. Can you speak your full morning routine out loud? Try it now, or after this episode, using today's 30 sentences. Just 5 to 10 minutes of speaking each morning can change everything. This was day 1 of your 30-day English Shadowing Challenge. Tomorrow is day 2, and we'll focus on evening routine sentences. You'll learn how to talk about your evening in natural English, what you do after work or school, how you relax, eat, and wind down. Today's tasks say, I leave the house at. Speak your full morning routine out loud, 3 to 5 sentences. Comment or message. What time do you wake up? Example: I wake up at 6:30. I'd love to hear your answer. Even one sentence helps you practice more. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up every day and speak. Small steps lead to real fluency. Come back tomorrow for day 2. Evening routine sentences. And keep building your daily English. You're doing great. Keep going. Take care and keep talking.